This is the AI News Flash for April 4th, 7 a.m. UTC. First up, a major clash is emerging over how AI data centers should get their power, whether by connecting to the grid or operating as self-powered energy islands. According to Axios, U.S. data centers now draw approximately 41 gigawatts of power, a 150% increase over the past 5 years. Analysis presented to PJM Interconnection warns of a 49 gigawatt generation shortfall by 2028, equivalent to 49 large natural gas power plants. 44% of data center operators expect to rely entirely on on-site power by 2035, with Microsoft, Google, and Meta building their own gas-fired plants. However, experts warn this merely shifts the burden from the electrical grid to the natural gas grid, without solving the fundamental problem. Next, Hollywood assistants are quietly using AI for script coverage, the bedrock of the development process despite industry concerns. The Hollywood Reporter spoke to a dozen assistants and support staff, revealing they upload script PDFs to ChatGPT and Claude to generate summaries and analysis. AI can save small production companies about 30 hours a week on reading 10 scripts. But large language models tend to miss nuance and irony while introducing narrative inaccuracies. There's also growing concern that assistants who rely on AI may fail to develop the critical skills they need for career advancement in the industry. Third, Chinese embodied AI startup Galaxea AI has raised $291 million in a Series B+ round, pushing its valuation above 20 billion yuan. Founded in 2023 and based in Beijing, the company develops vision-language action models that enable robots to perceive, reason, and act in the physical world. Nearly 20 investors participated, including hardware partner Lens Technology. This follows a $145 million Series B round just 2 months ago, signaling accelerating capital inflows into China's robotics sector. The company plans to deploy capital toward advancing foundation models and expanding commercialization in manufacturing, logistics, and commercial services. Finally, threat actors are exploiting last month's Claude Code source code leak by creating fake GitHub repositories to distribute Vidar information stealing malware. According to Security Boulevard, attackers have set up fake Claude Code installation pages using Google Ads and Cloudflare pages to spread the malware. Vidar is capable of stealing cryptocurrency wallets, passwords, and browser credentials. This sophisticated distribution makes it difficult to detect. As AI coding tools become more widely adopted, supply chain attacks like these pose an increasing risk. Users are strongly advised to install only from official sources. That's all for this AI News Flash.